Welcome to our quick guide on the vital role of the Information Security Manager. In just 3 minutes, we'll explore their key responsibilities and why this role is crucial for any organization. First, let's dive into the core responsibilities of an Information Security Manager. Developing security policies. An Information Security Manager creates and implements robust security policies and procedures to protect the organization's data. Risk assessment. They identify and assess potential security risks and vulnerabilities, ensuring proactive measures are in place. Incident response. In the event of a security breach, the Information Security Manager leads the response, mitigating damage and restoring security. Compliance. Ensuring the organization adheres to relevant laws, regulations, and standards is a critical part of their role. Training and awareness. They conduct regular security training and awareness programs to educate employees on best practices. Monitoring and auditing. Continuous monitoring of security systems and regular audits help maintain a secure environment. Now, let's talk about why the Information Security Manager's role is so important. Protecting data. They safeguard sensitive and confidential information from unauthorized access and breaches. Maintaining trust. By protecting data integrity, they ensure customer and stakeholder trust. Preventing financial loss. Effective security measures help prevent financial losses due to security incidents. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to compliance requirements avoids legal penalties and maintains the organization's reputation. Supporting business continuity. They ensure the organization can continue operations smoothly, even in the face of security challenges. In summary, the Information Security Manager plays a critical role in maintaining a secure and resilient organization. Their expertise in developing policies, assessing risks, responding to incidents, ensuring compliance, and educating employees is invaluable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides on essential topics.